Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Binary Master. Today's video is going to be very interesting. Today, I will trade on real market using Cross Robot. I always trade on real account. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for features updates. We are best binary signals provider. You can find the Telegram signals link in the description of this video. Take a look at my Telegram channel. You can also earn dollars in this way. You can follow my strategy and watch full video. Now let's start the video. Today, I place trade using Cross Robot signal software. It almost gives me very good profit. It works 99%. She does. Keep watching our video. If you want our good and best signal, then join our Telegram channel. Quickly you will be given the best signal. We already installed the Cross Robot. Now I wait for the signal. As soon as I get the signal, I place a trade on it and I do the same trade. You guys keep watching, keep walking with us. Here we got a signal for buy option. Let's place the trade as soon as possible and wait for results. Our trade will be a successful winning trade. Let's find another one. Here we got a sell signal. Let's place the trade and wait for results. Our trade will be a successful winning trade. Let's find another one. Here we got a signal for buy option. Let's place the trade as soon as possible and wait for results. Our trade will be a successful winning trade. Let's find another one. Here we got a strong buy signal. Let's place the trade and wait for results. if you want our best and best signals. So join our channel. You keep watching our video. If you want this robot, you can contact us on Telegram. You will get free signal and our free strategy, and this script will be given for free. Thank you. See you in next video. Goodbye. Happy trading.